what's up guys? Again, it's me, Harvey, and welcome back to my channel. Oh, nakadawat na ba tanan og modules tira? Laban lang. For today's video, since on my previous video, I created a video entitled How to Edit Your Video Using Android Phone. So this time, we are going to make a video entitled How to Make Your YouTube Thumbnail Using Android Phone. Gyapon. Yes, a YouTube thumbnail like this, and this. So a YouTube thumbnail is the one that you can see on the YouTube. Like, if you are going to scroll some videos, it's like the picture of the video. It tells about that picture tells about something for that video. So for my YouTube thumbnails, I'm using two kinds of app. The first one is this background eraser, and then the second one is this PixelLab. But this background eraser is optional. It depends upon you if you're going to use this one. But for me, I'm using this one because I'm using the picture, something like that, for the PixelLab. So this time I'll be inserting my screen or a screen recorder so that you can see the process of making the thumbnail. So mag screen recorders at mag share screen reporter. This time, if you already installed the two apps, the background eraser and then the PixelLab, let's try editing now. So this time you're going to start to click this background eraser app, and then after that, okay, that's the features. And then what you're going to do is you're going to click the load photo or load a photo, and you're going to select one photo that you want to edit or to crop. Okay, this one. So you're going to crop as much as possible so para dili na siya kaayo dako og resonon. So for example, that one. So if you already cropped it, so you're going to click done at the top. Okay. And then next is there's a cursor offset at the top of it. So here, so usually I select this one kanang narigid sa center ang pen ba para mas dali. And then at the bottom there's extract, auto, magic, manual, repair, and zoom. So you're going to click the manual, and then it depends upon the size. There is 30. It depends upon the pen. So for me, I select 8 or 10 when outlining the photo. So I need to outline the photo, so like that. So I need to outline first before I totally erase the background, like that. So depends. Okay, like that, for just example. And then after that, you're going to click the zoom so that it can be zoom out or zoom in. And then again, you're going to click the manual, and then you're going to erase the background. So I'll just fast forward it. Okay, so continuing, so I'm continuing erasing the background like that. Just fast forward it because it's kind of time consuming. So for example, like that. And then if you want to make the background black, so you click this at the bottom, the BG color, so it can turn black or white so that you can see the details. And then if you already cropped it, you can zoom in and then go to some details, like you make it 10 or so that you can see the small details of the one. Because doing this background eraser, it's very time consuming, and then you need to find the details of the each picture. But I think it's okay naman. And then after that, if you're done erasing the background, so you're going to click done at the top. So that's done. Okay, so after that, so there's smooth, there's 0, 1, 2, 5. So I'm just going to click 5, this one, so that it will be smooth. So that's it. So after that, you click save up at the top of it, and then it's saving. So it's already done. So white background, save, and then finish. So that's the first step. You're going to do the background eraser, but this one is optional. It really depends upon you if you're going to use background eraser or not. So this time, let's go to the next app, which is the PixelLab. So this time, let's going to use this PixelLab app. So you open the PixelLab, app, and then that's the features. But you can make it landscape. I just changed the orientation from portrait to landscape. So the first, so that is easier. So the first step is you're going to click the three dots at the right side of it, this one, and then you can see this one, use image, and then you're going, there's a lot of things, and then you're going to click this image size, since we are going to create a YouTube thumbnail. So after that, at the top, this one, you click that one, and then you select YouTube thumbnail, then okay. So that's the size of the YouTube thumbnail. After that, you're going to click this plus sign. So you're going to click this from gallery, that. So we're going to create choose a background. So maybe this one. Then click the check icon at the bottom. Okay, this one. And then we're going to make the size bigger to occupy the whole space of the thumbnail, so like that. And then you click this layer at the top, this one, the square. So it means that's the layer. And then we are going to lock it so that it will not move every time we are going to edit some things about here. So it's already locked, so everything doesn't move, so it will not move. And then after that one, we're going to click this plus again, and then from gallery. So we are going to select the one that we crop or we erase the background. So this one. So you're going to select the check. Okay. For example, that one. So you can make the size smaller or bigger, like this. It can be smaller, can be bigger, like that. This one. So we are going to put it here. Just an example. So after that one, you click the photo, and then at the bottom there's a circle, there's A, and then there's a pentagon, and there's a square. So you're going to click this pentagon so that we can edit the photo. So you can select the stroke, this one, so that the there's a white background thing. It can be, it depends upon you. So maybe I select 5. Okay, like that. Check. And then you can use shadow, so it will be look stronger or something like that. Okay, so check. So there's a lot of things to and you can rotate the photo like this, like that. Oh yeah, so that's how you do it. So there's a lot of features that you're going to discover or to encounter during in this kind of editing app. And then this time, let's put some text like this. So you click this a let na capital A, and then you put click this text, and then we are going to put some text like this one. You click the at the right side, there's edit, delete, copy, font. So you're going to click this edit, and then you're going to write some text. It depends upon you. So like how to make thumbnails, like that. How to make thumbnails. Okay, how to make thumbnails, like that. And click OK. And then you're going to make the text bigger, so you click this size. It depends upon you. You can make this 49, 50, so like this. Let's make it 670, like that. And then check, and then let's edit this one first. Make it down. Okay, and then you select font. So at the right side, there's a font. There's a lot of fonts that you can use here. So this one, Armstrong, this one, and then also you can select at the side is 3D text, so that it will look cool. This one. So 3D text, and then you can select also stroke, so that it will be nicer. Okay, like that. And then after that one, so you can select rotate. It depends upon you to rotate like this, like that, or this one. Okay, so like that. And then after that one, you can select colors also. There's colors here, so it depends upon you what colors you want. So for me, mhm, let's try this one like that. So but kan siya maklaro kay blue na background, yellow. For example, like that. So there's things to do about this. And then what else? So there's a lot of things that you need to discover in this editing app. And then if you want to add another photos, just click another the plus, and then like that you click plus, and then just select a photo like Shopee. Okay, check. And then the same way you're going to make it smaller or bigger like that. And then if you're going to rotate it, okay, and then yeah, that's it. So the same way you can click the photo and then the pentagon one, and then there's stroke. You can click the stroke so that it will have a background, and you can click the shadow or rotation. So that's how you do it. So how to make thumbnails. So after that, if you already double check it, so any details about it, and then if everything is all set, so you click this icon. No, but before that you need to lock it. So you need to click the, for example, the text. So you click the layer, and then you make sure to lock it, and then the logo, the Shopee, and then the picture also you need to lock it so that it won't move every time you do something. So that's it. So if you already lock it, and then you click this save icon, so it means save as project, save as image. So you click save as image. Okay, and then save to gallery. Okay, so it's saving now, so it's already done. So this time let's go to the one that we made. Okay, so if it's already done, so you go to the album photos, and then you go to the PixelLab. So these are the so this one is the one that we made. So you can have this thumbnail already. You can upload this one on YouTube. So yeah, these are the things that I created on my YouTube channel. So yeah, so that's how you create your YouTube thumbnail. So and yeah, that's how I create my YouTube thumbnails using Android phone. Before I end this video, so let me shout out Miss Hannah Yangson. So that's my classmate in my graduate school subject methods of research. Kay ga follow po siya sa gatanaw po siya mga video na ako. So thank you, Ma'am Hannah. And if you learned something on how to create a YouTube thumbnail using Android phone, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So that's all for today, and see you on my next video. Bye!